Wanted to walk over here to this fountain, make sure it's okay. Looks good. I hit that fucking thing so hard, Mother Teresa felt it. Holy shit. Looks good. Well built. God bless it. All right, so I normally don't fly without a lanyard when I'm flying with the Radiomaster, but I forgot it at home, so I don't know how accurate I'm actually going to be, but we'll give it a try. Well, golden hour flight. This means I'm going to have to be a lot more tedious. Probably pushed it way too far for with not having a lanyard, but holy shit, great run tonight. Broke another GoPro. Damn it.